Okay, so I've been madly sanding away, and I've got now the surface fairly smooth, and you can see how the edges now are tapered to that line. There you can see a little bit of the line left over yet, but I have now all making it look more like a paddle, and I've also rounded it a bit more, so it gives more of an appearance of a paddle. Okay, so that's the intent of that part. Now, again, get back to the sanding, which is so important. People underestimate it. You start with a large one will provide an 80, and once you've got it smoothed out, go to 100, 120, and then honestly, if you go, it's smooth enough, you don't need to go to the 180 and 220. It just depends how particular you are and how much time there is. Remember, when you're using sandpaper, if you're getting a new sheet of sandpaper out, to use it correctly, break the back. In other words, take it against the edge of a table and then 90 degrees, bend it like that, and you should hear it crinkle away. And then do it the other way also. And then you can fold it, okay? And fold it again, the other direction, to break the back, and then it makes it very easy to do, because you only need a quarter at a time, and just take off a quarter like that. Okay, so again, decide how smooth you'd like your paddle, and how much time there is available, and because you still have to, still have a fair bit of stuff to do, and make sure the edges make it look like a paddle, so that's nice and smooth. Okay, so that's this stage.